Hi, welcome to some random spot somewhere between Turku and Helsinki. This is Finland. It's about 4 degrees out at the moment. It's a little bit chilly, or as my mum says, a bit fresh. But yeah. Today I was going to share some news on the kitchen machines. But then a little work outing today. And when I see a scene like this, I just think, I could tell you about renovation. I could tell you about kitchen machines we bought and how much money we've spent and what machines we've still got to buy. But then I wouldn't have the opportunity to share this with you. Nice little view. A little bit of Finnish nature. Still a bit of snow on the ground. It just looks like ice blocks. It's not that nice. It's not really snow, but it is pretty seeing a little bit of white on the ground. Nice setting. All right, let's have a little look around and then I'll share some more tomorrow on the kitchen machines then, I promise.